watermelon has to be boring, we're going to show you 4 fun things to do with watermelon.
Let's get started right now. Hi, I'm Kenny Loy. I'm a certified nutritionist. I've been helping people with their health since 1999.
And I'm Joann Lloyd, and I'm a certified raw vegan chef, and I've been uncooking since 2010. And you thought watermelon was just for slicing and eating, right? Have you ever thought about flossing your watermelon, cubing your watermelon, slushing your watermelon, and juicing your watermelon?
Come with us and we'll show you how.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell.
So that you don't miss any future videos, we upload videos every week to give you healthy tips and recipes to get you to your best health yet. Please watch all these videos around you, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.